Hey guys, hello from Finland. Let me remind you that our channel is primarily about Finland and life in Finland. We made two videos demonstrating to you how to communicate and do some things with artificial intelligence, namely GPT chat. But it's time to come back to Finland. So this is going to be our lesson 7, Finnish language lesson 7. In this frame, you see the vocabulary that we use in this lesson. So let's pronounce the Finnish words. Missä, where. It describes location, where you are or where I am. Minne is direction. It means where to. Täällä is here. Siellä, there. Tuolla, over there. Nyt, now. And again, missä, minne, täällä, siellä, tuolla, nyt. There are two question words in Finnish that mean where to, direction, where are you going. These are minne and mihin, and I'd say that mihin is used more frequently than minne. Here I'm giving you some examples with the word mihin. So let's pronounce them in Finnish. Mihin sinä menet? Mihin hän menee? Mihin te menette? Mihin he menevät? Questions in Finnish can be formed by using a question word like missä and minne, or adding the particle ko or kö to the verb or noun. Let's pronounce Finnish sentences. Missä sinä olet nyt? Minä olen täällä. Missä sinä olet? Minä olen tuolla. Particles ko and kö are added to the verb or the word being questioned. It creates a yes-no questions. Let's pronounce questions with these particles. Oletko siellä? Are you there? Onko tämä sinun laukku? Is this your bag? Menettekö kotiin? Are you going home? Menettekö means that you ask several persons if they are going home. If you ask one person, just you say menetko kotiin. And how to choose between ko and kö. Use ko when the word has an a, o, u vowel. Kö is used when the word has a, e, u vowel. Let's practice. It's an exercise. You see 5 questions. Try to answer these questions. The answers are in the next frame, so you can just pause this frame, contemplate, think, and then answer the questions. Here are the answers to the questions. Let's pronounce them. Missä me olemme nyt? Tuletko he tänne? Onko hän tuolla? Minne sinä menet? Jäätkö sinä täällä? This was lesson 7 on our channel Hello from Finland. In this lesson we had some grammar. Unfortunately, we cannot totally avoid learning grammar. In my opinion, most important thing in learning languages is memorizing short phrases. Language, any language, consists of short phrases because longer sentences, they consist of short phrases. If you just learn words, It's not right, because if you start constructing sentences just a fewer words, we will construct them the wrong way. But if you memorize phrases, you memorize them the way they are, and they are constructed in the right way, you will be able to construct your longer sentences from short phrases. So anyway, that's about it. It was lesson 7 on Hello from Finland, and we would like your feedback. Please write in your comments. What do you like to know? Should we make those lessons longer or shorter? Maybe you want to know something about specific aspects of life, like asking questions, telling about yourself, introducing yourselves, describing your day, describing the world around you. So just let us know what you're interested in. Well, it was lesson 7. Thanks so much for watching this video, and vote with your likes and dislikes. Bye bye.